Where might this path lead, you ask? Well, today we're going to check out some beautiful wildflowers, particularly this dwarf crested iris, which is a native plant here in the North Georgia mountains that grows wild. These dwarf crested irises are particularly my favorite because they come in light and dark purple, and you can often find them as a lavender colored flower as well. Essentially, this is a species of iris which grows as a perennial here in the eastern section of the United States. It has a white patch as well as an orange or yellow crest on its petals, and that is how you can easily distinguish this dwarf crested iris. And that is also how it got its name, because it is crested in that beautiful white, orange, and yellow. Its size is really small, so if you wanted to compare it, it could actually fit in the palm of your hand if you picked it. When you look at these flowers, they almost look as though they have no stem from a distance because they are so short, about 3 to 6 inches tall. That is the beautiful dwarf crested iris. Let's see where our next journey takes us on this red dirt road. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you on our next journey as we explore a journey through an Appalachian heart.